Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add certifications as well as, all those little certificates that you have on LinkedIn. So when you come over to LinkedIn, as you can see, if you go to more options over here, save to PDF, share profile in a message, build a resume. There's not much. What you want to do is go to add profile selection. Once you're in add profile selection, you just want to go to core. Over here you'll have a few options, add your skills, positions and all that. And over here in recommended, you can add license and certifications. Now over here, add your certification. Now credential URL. The credential does not, if it expires, you won't just want to write the expiry date. And basically what type of license you have, Microsoft certified networks. Just talk about it, talk about it, and then you just want to save it. Now the thing is, if they want to see your certification, they will ask you for a picture, and that's when you later send it on. But for now, in LinkedIn, it's more of a word certification, and they can later on ask you for it. As well as that, you can also do other stuff like volunteer experience. You can add more information about yourself, projects and awards that you gain, which could be very beneficial for you if you are searching for work. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.